Hi everybody, my name's John from Fine & Country in Braunton, and today we're in Croyde to do a video tour of this beautiful home, 7 Home Farm Close. It's a fantastic extended family home, walking distance to the village and the beach. Let's take a look inside. Since the current owners bought this property, they've done extensive refurbishments, modifications, and extended the property to make a fantastic, impressive family home, including this versatile space downstairs with 1 or 2 ground floor bedrooms. Makes it fantastic for dependent relative, teenager, or an Airbnb. Here we are in the heart of the house. This is the stunning lounge, kitchen, dining family space. As you can see, it's vast, impressive, and naturally divides into brilliant living spaces with dual aspect at the front and a large suite for the lounge. Dining space behind me and through into a fantastic kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is fit to a high standard, and it's certainly where all the action happens, and it's a big sociable space with this beautiful island, integrated appliances, seamless worktops, and Velux windows to let the light pour in. You've even got a good sized pantry cupboard and utility room. The property is incredibly versatile with its downstairs bedroom, an open lounge space with a bathroom, which could be used as a self-contained space for a loved one, a teenager, and it even has its own doors leading out, so it could be used for holiday let potential. There are fantastic sized bedrooms throughout this property. This is the main bedroom, particularly impressive. This large window overlooking the views of the rolling hills out towards Croyde Bay. It's got its own ensuite bathroom and a dressing room space. So here we are in the rear garden, which as you can see is a really nice space. It's private, it benefits from the sun pretty much all day with various dining areas available. We've got a composite deck down there and a pergola space. We've got an outside shower to the side and a fantastic storage space on the other side as well. That completes this video tour here for 7 Home Farm Close in Croyde. As you can see, it's a remarkable family home, perfect to lock up and leave or somewhere to stay long term. Give us a call on 01271 818 121 to book your viewing now.